Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is on my front porch, and what I've done, I've went in and made it over for Easter. So here's what I have. And let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I've added the wreath, and inside the wreath, I have placed 2 bunnies on each side and a couple of eggs. And all the items that I have placed inside of the wreath did come from the Dollar Tree. Now the wreath, I did purchase it from Burlington's, and I think I paid around $12.99 for it. The cocktail plant that you see over here in the corner, I purchased it from At Home. And the little lantern you see here with the garland eggs and the bow all come from the Dollar Tree. So the lantern, the bow, and the garland for the eggs did come from the Dollar Tree. The welcome sign here was from Burlington's. And as you can see, I've done the 3 in the corner. Over here, the plant is from Burlington. The plant holder is from Ross's. And I think this lantern I purchased from Gabriel's. I've placed a swag on the side of it with a bow, and then inside I placed the yellow flowers and lights, so both lanterns do light up at night. Hope I've given you some ideas today on decorating your porch for Easter. If you would, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell. And this is Emma. I will be seeing you in my next video.